The E8 error on your Spectrum cable box typically means no signal or unable to tune. This usually indicates a disruption in the coaxial cable signal between Spectrum's network and your cable box. It's primarily a hardware-related issue involving the box's tuner or the upstream signal path, not usually a software bug. Key factors include signal integrity, where the box fails to lock onto the cable signal due to loose connections, damaged cables, splitters, or even weather interference. First, try diagnosing the issue yourself using the Spectrum app by scanning the QR code on the error screen. If this doesn't resolve it, continue with troubleshooting. Begin troubleshooting by checking all coaxial cable connections. Ensure they are securely tightened and the cables appear undamaged without any cuts, kinks, or corrosion. Next, perform a power cycle. Unplug your cable box from the electrical outlet for a full 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This simple reboot clears temporary glitches and often resolves the E8 error immediately. If the problem continues, use the Spectrum mobile app to check your signal strength. The app provides real-time diagnostics. Your signal should read between 0 and 15 dBm for proper cable box operation. If you're in a rural area, the E8 error might indicate infrastructure problems beyond your control. Spectrum's ongoing upgrades may be needed, so contact their support team for assistance. Remember that Spectrum's firmware updates include self-healing capabilities that automatically fix minor disruptions. These features work behind the scenes to maintain your service. If these steps don't resolve the E8 error, contact Spectrum customer support. Their technicians can perform advanced diagnostics and arrange for necessary repairs. For long-term prevention, consider upgrading to Spectrum's modern digital services or streaming platforms. As of 2025, wireless setups reduce reliance on traditional cable boxes and help avoid E8 errors altogether.